Hi, this is Paul Flores. I'm here to show you really quick two Spanish resources that are available to you on your math curriculum in Savas. I'm looking at Math 2 right now. So if we go to the top, click Tools, and then scroll down, go to Teacher Resources Download Center. This will open up, and then I'll just choose Chapter 1. If you scroll down, you'll see here Spanish Homework Video Tutors. I click there, and then again, whatever section you want them to view. A new tab will pop open, and it'll start playing a video and reading to them in Spanish or whichever language that you choose. And that's it. So the second resource is if we're in this same area, which was the Teacher Resources Downloadables. If you go to the bottom, past all the chapters, and go to Multilingual Handbook, click there, and you'll see there's multiple languages for the glossary. And I'll click Spanish. Again, a new tab opens, and then you'll see all the Spanish terms for you once it loads. There you go. And then you can scroll through and find the term you're looking for. And there's your two resources. I hope they are useful.